Hi, this is the best way to get a quick access to ChatGPT for Android. Don't skip any part, like and subscribe to my channel. As we know, OpenAI doesn't yet offer any official ChatGPT app. Now, how to get the ChatGPT shortcut? In the beginning, open Chrome browser here. Start typing OpenAI. Then click Search. Now choose this official website. Scroll down more and more to find this link here. Try GPT. Click to open it. Here I will log into my GPT account. I can use my Google account from here. Now, here we go. A new chat is ready to start. To work properly, you have to open a new chat first. Now, the steps to put this chat on the desktop for quick access. Click these three dots here, then choose Add to Home Screen. Rename here to ChatGPT, then click Add. Click Add again. Now, jump to the home screen, and here we go. The good thing is about this, even if we close Chrome browser, then open this shortcut. We don't need to log in again. We will find the chat as it is. You can start chatting directly, and you will find your answers without any problems. That's great. Now, similarly for Samsung browser. Open it. Now, click on this menu here. Then choose Add Page to. Then select Home Screen. Rename. Finally, click Add. Click Add again. Now, jump to the home screen to check. And great! That's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.